Okay. Uh, Good morning, everyone. So here I have written. I will introduce myself first. I'm Assistant Professor A.B. Kokre. I'm working in our civil engineering department. So uh, today we will learn the second section. We will start the second section, and in second section of surveying and geometric subject. So unit number 4 is actually unit 3 units in section 1, and unit number 4 is in section 2nd. So we will learn today unit number 4, that is global positioning system, and I will cover your your section 2nd. Okay, then we will see the section first. So I'm the Professor A.B. Kokre, and today I will teach you the unit number 4, that is global positioning system. Okay, so that is the my introduction, and the whatever I will cover that I have told you. So we'll see. So if we think about this word global, then second word is the positioning, and third word is the system. So what is global, what is positioning, and what is system? Actually here global is the globe, means earth is there. So global is nothing but or globe is nothing but the our earth, Prithvi. Then positioning. Positioning means the position of any user. Any user means we are the user. We all are living on the earth. So our position. Now I am in college. You are in your home. Someone is in Delhi. Someone is in Mumbai. So the position of every person or every element, that is the position. And the system is nothing but the system which is required or which is used for finding the position on the globe. Are you getting what is the global positioning system? The system is one of the system is developed for finding the position on the globe. See, this is the simple meaning of this GPS, global positioning system. It is a system used or developed for find the position on the globe. म्हणजेच तुमची स्वतःची पोझिशन पृथ्वीवरती कुठे आहे हे फाइंड आउट करण्याची ही सिस्टम आहे. आर यू गेटिंग? So this is the system which is we are using for finding the position on the globe. So the meaning of the title of our chapter is the global positioning system. It means we have to find out the our position on the globe or on the earth. So that is the GPS. So we will see in detail how this GPS system works, what are the their advantage, disadvantage, that we will learn in detail. And this system is we are using for the surveying purpose. You know, generally in the defense, we are using this system nowadays, and we are also using for the navigation purpose. In our mobile, the navigation app is there, Google Map is there. By this app we can plan the route, means we have to go from Pandharpur to Pune, we have to go from Pandharpur to Solapur. We can plan the route on our mobile, and we can move by the provided route given in our mobile. So that is the GPS system. So we will see in detail each and every. So I have brief about this global positioning system, and for it is required for the finding the our position on the globe, means पृथ्वीवरती आपली पोझिशन फाइंड आउट करण्यासाठी आपण ही सिस्टम वापरतो. Okay, so now see this, where to go. As we are the person, we are thinking today I have to go to college, so I have to go to bus stop, I have to go catch the bus, then I have to move to on the way of the college, and then we will reach to the college. This is the way where to go, means where we have to go. So for that purpose, the location, another location, that location we have to must know. Where we have to go, that location we have to must know, and that location we will find by using the GPS technology. Are you getting? So where we have to go, that place or location we will find from the our position only. I am sitting in the college and I can plan the route of the Solapur or Pune here only. So I will get the route, how I go to the Pune, or how I go to the Solapur. Again, someone person is in sitting in Pune or Mumbai. So if they have GPS instrument and I have GPS instrument, so I can find the this person is how much distance away from me. म्हणजे तुम्ही तुमच्या, मी आता कॉलेजमध्ये आहे तर माझ्यापासून एखादा मुंबई मधला युजर आहे, त्याचं जीपीएस कोऑर्डिनेट्स जर मला माहित असतील तर आय कॅन फाइंड द पोझिशन ऑर डिस्टन्स बिटवीन बोथ by using this GPS instrument. The instrument, separate instrument is there like our mobile. The GPS instrument, separate instrument is there like our mobile. आपल्या मोबाईल मध्ये एक किंवा दोनच त्याचे ऍप्लिकेशन्स आहेत. So many applications of GPS is there and the instrument is there, GPS. मोबाईल एवढंच instrument आहे. So that instrument we are using for where to go, how to find the position of another, how to plan the map, where we have to go. That we will learn and this is the under GPS technology. Okay, so this is the where to go. So you can see here in the image, this person is having three routes: right side, left side, and middle one. So you have to, he has to think where I have to go, and he can plan the route, and he can go by the particular route by the GPS technique. Okay, so now here, see, I have written early solution. If the GPS technology is not there at that time, what we are doing? We are going in, anywhere at that time also. Who has invented our India? India is the country, or India is one of the country. Who has invented? कुणाला माहिती आहे का? Invented means we can see शोध कोणी लावला आपल्या इंडियाचा? अगोदर आपल्याला माहित नव्हतं. Anyone can tell me? So like okay, Vasco da Gama. One of students given answer me Vasco da Gama. Okay, so it means many decades ago or many years ago we are using this GPS technology, but that time not instruments are there. So how we are choosing the any selecting any location? At that time also we are selecting the locations, and from these locations we are traveling. Everybody knows, we know the history. So here first early solution, what early solution we are using instead of now this GPS technology we are using in our defense ministry, defense and nowadays we are using in defense for the purpose of our military location, army locations. But early solution means the making trial with the piles of stones, means we are fixing the stones at every location. Nowadays also you can see also on the road there are some stones are there. The Pune from this location 220 km is there. From Solapur this location 35 km is there. So such stones we have seen nowadays also we can see such stones. So that marking trial with piles of stones means we are fixing the stones at a particular position, and we are traveling from this help up with these stones. So this technique we are using in the so many decades ago. Again, next point, navigation by stars. Navigation by stars means आपण आताही म्हणतो, काय म्हणतो? विच स्टार, ध्रुव तारा कुठल्या दिशेला आहे? Dhruva star is in which direction? And so many peoples are traveling with this uh, नॉर्थ साइड. करेक्ट, करेक्ट. नॉर्थ साइड ला आपला ध्रुव आहे. मग आपण त्या डायरेक्शनने आपण काय करणार, मूव्ह होणार. आपल्याला कोणत्या डायरेक्शनने जायचं आहे, इन विच डायरेक्शन वी हॅव टू गो, that we are in so many decades ago we are navigating by the stars. Are you getting? So these are the early solutions we are using for the finding the position of another by making these stones at a particular interval. Then we are traveling at night by the movement of the star. This star is in which direction, so that we have to go in this direction. That these are the some early solutions we are using for the finding the locations. But nowadays these are the modern areas, the radar, sonar, these are the modern areas we are using in the our defense, India defense. Okay, so these are the early solutions. Now just a minute. Okay, now history of the GPS, history of the global positioning system. So actually this GPS technology was developed by the US Department of Defense in 1960. They have developed in 1960, but in the 1969 defense navigation satellite system is formed. Actually we are receiving the calls, we are sending the message, but this we are sending message or receiving calls. How we are receiving this calls and message? By signals. Means we have placed some, we are saying the towers, Airtel tower, then Jio tower. So what their towers, there are the signal transferring system is there. So in 1969 they have sent the satellites on the space. Space मध्ये सॅटेलाइट सोडले गेले in 1969 for the purpose of find the our position on the our earth. So similar to our mobile network or mobile signals passing from the towers, same situation, same condition is in the GPS also. So satellites, we have our whole world send the satellites on the space, and through satellite signals we are catching the signals. Catching the signals from the satellites, and we will get the we are getting the our position on the earth. Okay, so this is in the 1969. Then system developed 1973, NowStar global positioning. So this is the again NowStar global positioning is there. So this system, in this system in 1973 again satellites, so satellites are were sent, and the system is the name given for this satellites is the NowStar global positioning, means this is for the satellites. Then again 1978 the first 4 satellites launched. In 1978 first 4 satellites launched, and again in 1993 24 satellites launched in the space. So total 28 to 30 satellites nowadays in the space for the receiving the GPS signals. So for finding the our position, so now we have our world is launched total 28 to 30 satellites. So in 1978 there are 4 satellites were launched, and in 1993 24 satellites were launched in the space. Then in 1995 full operational capacity. So the control over these all satellites, they have developed additional strategy for the working these satellites. So that technology they have developed for the operational purpose, that is in 1995, and May 2000 military accuracy available to all users. So in our military, we are using the GPS devices. You also know our police has working on this also. So our government, any government in the world, any country, the GPS technology they are using more. So you better know in hand of the our police, the device is there. We called as a walkie-talkie, and they are calling wireless devices there, and they don't know the location of that person also, and that is the GPS device also we called as. Are you getting? So that military accuracy available to all users, that is in the May 2000. So this is the about the GPS history. Means when the GPS technology is developed, which departments, US department they have developed, then for the receiving the signals from the GPS, the satellites, these 4 and 24 satellites we have sent in the space for the receiving the signals, and the in May 2000 military accuracy is also provided to all users. So users means you all, including me. So we will see in detail who is the user, how the GPS signals transfers, how the system is work, that we will see in detail one by one. Okay, so this is related to history of the GPS. Now, introduction of the GPS. So what is GPS? See here. See here, definition is given. So you have to write in examination. Sometimes you will ask what is GPS and other question. So GPS, the global positioning system, is nothing but GPS. It is, just a minute. Okay. So global positioning system, a process used to establish a position at any point on the globe. See, what is GPS? GPS is the process used to establish a position at any point on the globe. So globe is the our earth. On the earth, on earth at any point, a position, establish a position. It means we are living in Pandharpur, we are living in Solapur, we are living in Pune. So in Pune, your location I can identify if you have GPS instrument. Or nowadays we are tracking. So police people they are tracking on the SIM card. It means that is the GPS technology. So and that is we are learning in our syllabus for the survey purpose. So police duties is different, our defense department duties is different, and as a surveyor, as a civil engineer, our duty is different. So that application we will see for which purpose our we are using this GPS. So see, a simple definition is there. GPS is the process used to establish a position at any point on the globe. Are you getting? So this is the definition. So other definition is there. GPS is the satellite based navigation. GPS is the satellite based navigation system, can be used to locate the position of location on the globe. See, two definitions I have written here. Actually, this is the satellite based system is there. It means we are receiving the signals from the satellites only. Our position we know from the satellite only, because satellite have a hardware and software position is there, or in our receiver software hardware position where position is there. So with the help of the satellites we can find the our position on the globe. So that is the nothing but the GPS. So second definition is here. The GPS is the satellite based navigation system, can be used to locate the position of location on the globe. आपली स्वतःची अर्थवरची पोझिशन फाइंड आउट करण्यासाठी आपण जीपीएस वापरू शकतो. and that is nothing but the GPS, Global Positioning System. Everybody get understood this? What is GPS? GPS is the process to establish a position at any point on the globe. Okay. Now, see the next point. The following two values can be determined anywhere on the earth. It means these two, we are using GPS technology, means what we are calculating, what we are finding, we are finding. So see the number one exact location. Exact location, it means longitude, latitude and height. Longitude, latitude and height. Three coordinates we are finding as our location. And second is the precise time. At what time? Universal time coordinated. The universal time clock is there. On this time clock, these clocks are fixed in the satellites. So as per our universal time, the satellites are giving the signals. Means they are giving our longitude, latitude and height and time also. At what time that capture. Are you getting? So what we are finding as by using GPS technique, we are finding the longitude, latitude and height. So generally height is we are measuring from which? We are measuring our height from mean sea level. So we are measuring the height from the mean sea level, and then longitude is we are measuring from the north and south pole, and latitude we are measuring from the east and west pole. So that we will see again detail in next slide. So what is longitude, what is latitude and how the height is measuring. So now you have to keep in mind, what you have to keep in mind, what we are finding by using GPS. We are finding our location means longitude, latitude and height, and next is the time. These four parameters we are finding for our exact location. आपली लोकेशन समजून घेण्यासाठी आपण या चार गोष्टी जीपीएस टेक्नॉलॉजी यूज करून कॅल्क्युलेट करतो. आता ह्या जर चार गोष्टी मिळाल्या तर तुम्ही पृथ्वीवरती कुठे जरी असाल तर तुमची पोझिशन आपल्याला माहित होते. आर यू गेटिंग? सो बाय युजिंग जीपीएस वी कॅन फाइंड दिस फोर parameters. Now you can see this picture. See, this is the earth. So these are the four satellites moving around this earth, and on the earth one location is here. See my cursor. On the earth one location is there, and this is our location, and so we are getting our position. It means, so these are the four we are getting. Longitude, it means from south and north pole, and from east west pole. So 9 degree 24 minutes 23 seconds. This is the distance, sorry, this is the what we can say in degree. We are getting our position as a longitude. Then latitude 46 degree 48 minute 37.20 seconds. So this is the latitude. Altitude 709.1 meter, 709 meter from sea level. समुद्र सपाटीपासून 709 मीटर उंचीवरती हा लोकेशन आहे. And time, at what time? 12 hours and 33 minutes and 0 second. म्हणजे 12 वाजून 33 मिनिट आणि 0 सेकंडला we have captured our location, and that is on the map. See, this is the here written Bonaduce. This is the location. I think it is in America, US. That location is there. So here I have written the basic function of GPS. The basic function of GPS means we are finding our position, and we are finding the position means we are calculating the longitude, latitude, altitude, and what time we are finding our position. Are you getting? So from the base down, these 4 satellites means if we have to find our location, at least 4 satellites signals to be required. जर आपल्याला आपली स्वतःची पोझिशन फाइंड आउट करायची असेल तर ऍटलिस्ट आपल्याला 4 सॅटेलाइटचं नेटवर्क आपल्याला हवं आहे. जसं आपण म्हणतो मला मोबाईल मध्ये नेटवर्कच नाहीये, इट मीन्स व्हॉट, द सिग्नल्स फ्रॉम दी टावर वी आर नॉट गेटिंग. सिमिलर टू दॅट, इफ आवर पोझिशन वी हॅव टू फाइंड आउट, पोझिशन फाइंड आउट करायचे म्हणजेच काय, लॉंजिट्यूड, लॅटिट्यूड आणि अल्टिट्यूड हे जर फाइंड आउट करायचं असेल आपल्याला तर सॅटेलाइट कडून सिग्नल्स पास व्हावे लागतील. आपण मोबाईल वरून कॉल केला, what process is being transferred? We are calling from our mobile, the signals is transferring to the which company sim we are using, that tower, our control panel, our signals are transferring. Then from this signal, त्या टावर पासून ज्या आपण नंबरला कॉल लावलाय त्या कॉलच्या तिथल्या जवळच्या टॉवरला काय होतं, सिग्नल्स पास होतात. सो that process, similar process is we are using here. आपण जीपीएस युजर आहे, आपल्याकडे जीपीएस इन्स्ट्रुमेंट आहे. व्हॉट वी आर डुईंग, वी आर ट्रान्सफरिंग सिग्नल फॉर दी आवर लोकेशन. ते सिग्नल्स कुठे जाणार, आपल्या जवळच्या कंट्रोल स्टेशनला जाणार. सेम आपण टीव्हीचा रिमोट वापरतो, सो वी आर ट्रान्सफरिंग दी, वी आर प्रेसिंग दी बटन्स and just for volume increase and decrease to the machine. That machine connection with the antenna will transfer the signals to the satellites. त्याच्यासाठी पण सॅटेलाइट बसवायचं. सॅटेलाइट्स अगेन ट्रान्सफरिंग सिग्नल टू द antenna again to the our machine, and through remote we are operating this. Such system is there, but here we are finding our locations, and that locations means त्या पृथ्वीवरती आपण कोणत्या लॉंजिट्यूड मध्ये आहे, कोणत्या लॅटिट्यूड मध्ये आहे, आणि किती हाईट वरती समुद्र सपाटीपासून आहे, that coordinates we will get, and for that separate satellites are there, and through minimum 4 satellites are required to locate our position. Are you getting? So this is with this sketch you will be again confident about the how the GPS is there. Are you getting now? So this is the Earth, these are the satellite signals coming to these locations, and we are getting this our position details, and on the map this is the location. So this figure or image is providing our information, the our position of location. Are you getting? Now next point is the earth coordinate, the earth coordinates. So I have told you longitude, latitude, but how to measure longitude, from which point we are measuring latitude and longitude. So you can see here this equator, this is the our earth, parallel line of the latitude. So horizontally, so this is the southeast pole we are calling in horizontal. The earth is there in horizontally, this is the equator, and this is the east west line is there. So means from this center, if our location is here, so from this line at what degree distance we are here, that we are getting this is latitude is nothing but from this, म्हणजे या इक्वेटर पासून, या हॉरिझॉन्टल लाईन पासून आपण या ठिकाणी कुठे आहे त्याचं डिग्री मध्ये आपलं रोटेशनल डिस्टन्स आपल्याला मिळतं या हॉरिझॉन्टल लाईन पासून. दिस इज द इक्वेटर. देन second is the meridian, line of longitude. Longitude is means this is the south north pole. ही अर्थ आहे, या अर्थवरचा साऊथ नॉर्थ पोल आहे. सो फ्रॉम दिस मेरिडियन नाव वेअर वी आर, नाव वी आर हिअर. इक्वेटर पासून आणि ह्या मेरिडियन पासून ऍट व्हॉट डिस्टन्स वी आर देअर, दॅट गिव्हन दॅट वी आर गेटिंग फ्रॉम दी सॅटेलाइट्स इन दी डिग्री. कारण का हे रोटेशनल आहे. आपली अर्थ कशी आहे, राउंडेड आहे. सो वी आर गेटिंग दॅट रोटेशनल from this vertical and horizontal. This is the equator and this is the meridian. North south pole is the meridian and east west pole is the equator. So from this pole and from this pole our location will be we will get, and that is the longitude and latitude. Are you getting? समजतंय का? ईस्ट वेस्ट पोल पासून आपण लॅटिट्यूड मेजर करतो आणि नॉर्थ आणि साऊथ पोल पासून आपण लॉंजिट्यूड मेजर करतो. आणि हे कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑलरेडी मेजर केलेले आहेत. ज्यावेळी सॅटेलाइट्स आपण सोडले त्याच वेळी हे कोऑर्डिनेट्स मेजर करून सॅटेलाइट सोडलेले आहेत. त्यामध्ये डायरेक्ट पोझिशन देतात आपल्याला. त्या कोऑर्डिनेट्स इथला नॉर्थचं 0 म्हटलं असेल. सी ऍट द टॉप ऑफ दिस मेरिडियन, दिस इज द 0 कोऑर्डिनेट. अगेन दिस इज 0. सो नाउ फ्रॉम दिस मेरिडियन लेफ्ट साइड अँड राईट साइड वेअर वी आर, इथं असो आपण किंवा या ठिकाणी असो, तिथलं लोकेशन. आणि सेम सायमल्टेनियसली फ्रॉम दी हॉरिझॉन्टल प्लेन, म्हणजे हॉरिझॉन्टल प्लेन मध्ये आणि व्हर्टिकल प्लेन मध्ये आपण कुठे आहे. अँड द अनदर थर्ड इज दी बोथ टुगेदर फॉर्म दी ग्रॅटिक्युल नेटवर्क. दिस टुगेदर थर्ड addition, by adding these two both they are giving our graticular network. It means our position. Are you getting? Longitude, latitude. Generally latitude we are measuring from the equator, that is earth, east west, and this longitude we are getting from the south and north pole, that is we are calling meridian. Okay, so here we have written longitude and latitude values are angle measured from the earth center. See, from this center, from this earth center, this is the both together from the gratitude network, means this is the center. See the third image, this is the center. From this point we are measuring the angles. Here written values are angle measured from the earth center, this is the center, to the required point on the earth surface. This is the center, means we are suppose here from this x-axis and y-axis like this, but rotational. कारण का आपली अर्थ आहे ती कशी आहे, सर्क्युलर आहे, थोडीशी गोल आहे. So this is the in this way, by measuring the angle we can find the longitude and latitude. Are you getting? Then a point anywhere with the earth surface is addressed by longitude and latitude. It means the point anywhere on the earth is addressed by longitude and latitude. म्हणजे आपण जिथं आहे ते आपलं लोकेशन कशाने फिक्स केलं जाते किंवा ऍड्रेस केलं जाते, तर लॉंजिट्यूड आणि लॅटिट्यूड. मी तुम्हाला काय म्हटलं की आपण पोझिशन फाइंड आउट करणार, म्हणजे काय 10 मीटर वरती आहे, 20 मीटर वरती आहे असं नाहीये. इट इज द रोटेशनल. सो इट इज मेजर्ड इन द अँगल, डिग्री, अँड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ लॅटिट्यूड अँड लॉंजिट्यूड. आपण पृथ्वीवरती कुठेही उभा असेल तर त्या पोझिशनला एक लॉंजिट्यूड आणि लॅटिट्यूड आहे. आणि तो कुठून मेजर केला जातो, हॉरिझॉन्टल इक्वेटर आणि व्हर्टिकल मेरिडियन यांचा इंटरसेक्शन जिथं आहे हा पॉइंट, तर या पॉइंट पासून हा मेजर केला जातो. लक्षात आलं? लॉंजिट्यूड आणि लॅटिट्यूड आपल्याला कसे मिळतात, इक्वेटर आणि मेरिडियन वरून मिळतात. आणि दॅट and we are finding our position, means the longitude and latitude we are finding. Are you getting the earth coordinate? This is earth coordinate system you are getting, longitude and latitude. This is the earth coordinate system. So latitude is the horizontal and longitude is the vertical, and the intersection of these two is this, and from this center our position is getting in the form of longitude and latitude. Everyone now clear? what is longitude and latitude, and third is the altitude. Altitude means from the mean sea level, at what distance, at what height we are there. That is the third. Now you have did the practical in basic civil engineering. So you have calculated the RLs. Okay, so you have calculated the RLs. Then what you have did? RLs means what? Reduced level. It means what? It is the position of that point from this some reference point. म्हणजे आपल्या ग्राउंडवरची लेवल, कॉलेजच्या ग्राउंडवरची लेवल आणि कॉलेजच्या मेन गेटची लेवल काहीतरी हाईटचा डिफरन्स आहे की नाही? कॉलेजचं मेन गेट आणि ग्राउंड याच्यामध्ये हाईटचा डिफरन्स आहे की नाही? तो डिफरन्स दॅट इज द हाईट. मग ग्राउंडवरचा एका पॉइंटची मीन सी लेवल पासूनची हाईट आणि आपल्या मेन गेटवरच्या एका पॉइंटची मीन सी लेवलची हाईट आपल्याला डायरेक्ट कशातून मिळते?